Hello, space enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're diving deep into the cosmos to explore some groundbreaking revelations from the James Webb Space Telescope about the elusive ninth planet. Yes, you heard that right. The industry is buzzing with shockwaves from the latest data, and we're here to unpack all that and more. So strap in as we journey beyond the known to uncover the secrets whispered by the universe. Imagine the possibilities that lie in the uncharted expanses of space. What if there's something out there, something powerful and unseen that's shaping the paths of celestial bodies? Picture this, a mysterious force that directs the orbits of planets in a specific manner. This could very well point to the existence of a ninth planet in our solar system. Indeed, it seems increasingly likely that there's an unseen architect at work beyond the known planets, subtly influencing their trajectories. This raises the thrilling possibility that our solar system is home to a ninth world, a hidden giant lurking far beyond Neptune and Pluto. But here's the twist. While NASA has unveiled this incredible discovery, the ninth planet presents a baffling paradox. This celestial body is at the center of an enigmatic phenomenon, something completely novel to our corner of the universe. Could this be evidence of extraterrestrial tampering, a cosmic collision, or is it an entirely unknown cosmic mystery? This discovery has not only perplexed scientists, but has also captured the imagination of people worldwide. We're about to dive into how NASA stumbled upon this elusive ninth planet, yet something about it doesn't quite add up. On our home front, Earth is one of 8 known planets that gracefully dance around the sun, a colossal and blazing star. For ages, astronomers have observed these planets following their predictable paths across the heavens. Yet here we stand, on the brink of possibly rewriting that understanding with the discovery of a new mysterious player in our solar system. Imagine observing the solar system in motion. Some planets zip ahead, while others appear to retreat backward in a celestial dance. But let's not lose our way. Let's delve into the origins of the Sun and its planetary entourage. Around 4.6 billion years ago, a colossal cloud of gas and dust, known as the solar nebula, began to collapse. This event, possibly triggered by the explosive shock wave of a nearby supernova, initiated a cosmic ballet governed by the conservation of angular momentum. As the cloud spun, it grew denser and hotter at its core, eventually giving birth to a protostar, the nascent Sun. Within this swirling nursery, dust particles collided and coalesced to form larger bodies called planetesimals. Through relentless collisions, these planetesimals grew into protoplanets, amassing more and more material. As they evolved, the Sun's gravity and radiance sculpted them into the planets we recognize today. Meanwhile, the Sun itself was transforming, becoming the dominating force in the solar system. As it grew in mass and brightness, denser materials sank to the cores of the protoplanets, forming terrestrial worlds like Earth, while lighter elements floated to the surface. The burgeoning Sun's intense radiation and solar winds then swept the remaining gas and dust into the void of space, setting the stage for the formation of gas giants. In the colder outer regions, the gas remained, allowing giants like Saturn and Jupiter to amass their gaseous atmospheres, while the ice giants Neptune and Uranus developed their unique icy cores and thick atmospheres. In a bit, we'll explore more about how these rocky planets, including our own Earth, came to be through these cosmic processes. Each planet in our solar system boasts its own unique characteristics, yet they share some common traits, including each having a north and a south pole. These polar points mark the extremities of their worlds, framing a system rich in diversity. A standout feature that distinguishes our solar neighborhood is the expansive asteroid belt stretching between Mars and Jupiter, a celestial boundary separating the inner planets from the outer realms. Often, when we think of our solar system, images of the Sun, the planets, and Earth come to mind. However, this cosmic arena hosts an array of other fascinating entities. Orbiting around the Sun is a vibrant ring filled with comets, meteors, asteroids, and moons, some of which even have their own satellites. Then there's the enigmatic space dust and the debated category of dwarf planets. The discovery of a large rock and ice body in 2005, named Eris, challenged our definitions of what constitutes a planet. Its size, larger than Pluto, and its distant orbit from the Sun sparked a heated debate. Could Eris be the elusive 10th planet? The International Astronomical Union, IAU, weighed in 2006, setting clear criteria for planetary status. An object must orbit the Sun, possess enough mass for its gravity to shape it into a sphere, and have cleared its orbital path of other debris. Under these guidelines, the Moon doesn't qualify as a planet since it orbits Earth, not the Sun. These rules led to Pluto's reclassification from the 9th planet to a dwarf planet, a category it now shares with Eris, Makemake, Ceres, Haumea, and Orcus. This decision invites us to ponder what truly makes a planet and how do Pluto and Eris differ, if not in their planetary status. Ever since Pluto was relegated from its planetary status, whispers have persisted about a mysterious Planet 9 lurking on the fringes of our solar system. If real, this elusive world would restore the count of known planets to 9. Despite its challenging concealment in the cosmic shadows, a groundbreaking study recently pinpointed the likely location of this hidden giant. The compelling evidence for Planet 9's existence lies in its gravitational influence. Just as gravity's invisible hands sculpt the paths of celestial bodies, the disturbances observed in the orbits of distant objects hint at the presence of this unseen planet. By applying simple mathematical principles, astronomers can trace these disturbances back to their source, a method pioneered by astronomers John Couch Adams and Urbain Le Verrier, when their predictions led to the discovery of Neptune. But why do we suspect there's another planet out there? In the remote reaches of the solar system, beyond the familiar planets, lies the Kuiper Belt, a vast field of icy objects. Ordinarily, without the influence of a nearby planet, these Kuiper Belt objects, KBOs, would orbit the Sun in a scattered random pattern. Yet intriguingly, we observe that many KBO orbits are not random but clustered, suggesting a gravitational pull from an unseen source. Could this be mere coincidence? Possibly, but the odds are slim. The peculiar alignment of these icy wanderers points to the gravitational force of a planet we have yet to see. This mysterious Planet 9 continues to captivate astronomers and stirs the imagination of all who look to the stars. In 2016, a riveting theory emerged when researchers analyzed the orbital patterns of Kuiper Belt objects, KBOs. They discovered that these icy objects were not randomly scattered, but instead clustered in a way that suggested the gravitational influence of an undiscovered planet. Dubbed Planet 9, this hypothetical world is estimated to be about 5 times the mass of Earth and located a staggering 10 times further from the Sun than Neptune. This initial study even pinpointed a broad swath of the sky where Planet 9 could potentially be found, though subsequent searches have yet to confirm its existence. For some skeptics, the absence of direct evidence leads to doubts about Planet 9's reality, echoing historical debates like those surrounding the hypothetical planet Vulcan. However, the quest for understanding continues. Recent analyses revisit the original data, adjusting for any observational biases that might have skewed the initial findings. Remarkably, these studies reaffirm that the clustering of KBOs is not merely a fluke, but a statistically significant anomaly that likely points to an unseen planetary body. This renewed analysis has recalculated Planet 9's probable orbit, suggesting it might be closer to the Sun than previously thought, which could refine search efforts. Adding a twist to the tale, some theorists speculate that what we are observing might not be a planet at all. Could Planet 9 be an enigmatic primitive black hole right in our solar backyard? This possibility challenges our conventional search strategies and could redefine our understanding of the cosmos. As we continue to refine our techniques for exploring the cosmos, it becomes clear that there are still countless mysteries waiting to be uncovered in our solar system. Among these is the enigmatic Planet 9, a hypothetical world thought to dwarf Earth, with a mass somewhere between 5 to 10 times greater. Orbiting our Sun from a staggering distance of 400 to 800 astronomical units, up to 20 times farther than Pluto, Planet 9's journey around the Sun could take anywhere from 10,000 to 20,000 years. The possibility of such a massive world, lurking unseen in the far reaches of our solar system, is not only fascinating, but also somewhat perplexing. Observations of distant star systems have revealed numerous exoplanets, with masses bridging those of Earth and Neptune. Curiously, our own solar system appears to lack such intermediate mass planets, unless Planet 9 exists. Its discovery would not only fill this gap, but would radically transform our understanding of the solar system's architecture. However, tracking down a planet with such an elusive orbit presents significant challenges. Despite the lack of direct evidence, the subtle gravitational effects on other celestial bodies hint at its presence. In their quest to spot this distant wanderer, astronomers tirelessly scour the sky through infrared surveys, hoping to catch a glimpse of movement across the vast cosmic stage. The pursuit of Planet 9 is more than a search for another planet. It is a journey towards a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. Whether or not this shadowy giant will ever appear in our telescopes, the clues we gather along the way will undoubtedly enrich our cosmic perspective. The mysterious forces at play in the outer reaches of our solar system might be emanating from an unseen and extraordinary source. This distant object, potentially lurking in the shadows, is believed to emit infrared radiation, a whisper of energy leaking since the dawn of time. In a thrilling twist to this cosmic mystery, astronomers Jacob Schultz from Durham University and James Unwin from the University of Illinois at Chicago have proposed a groundbreaking hypothesis. They suggest that the gravitational anomalies observed in the farthest corners of our solar system may not be due to a hidden planet at all. Instead, they posit the existence of a primordial black hole, a concept stirring considerable debate and fascination. Such a black hole, though diminutive in size, would wield profound influences over the outer solar system. Rest assured, this type of black hole poses no threat to the solar system's inner sanctum due to its small mass. Yet, its presence would be significantly felt among the trans-Neptunian objects, TNOs, which betray the existence of Planet 9 solely through their peculiar gravitational behaviors. Primordial black holes, thought to have formed in the immediate aftermath of the Big Bang, represent some of the earliest and most enigmatic structures in the universe. Arising from fluctuations in density, these black holes rapidly took shape in the young cosmos and dispersed throughout space. Over eons, many such entities have slowly evaporated, a process theorized by physicist Stephen Hawking. Even though the concept of primordial black holes carries significant indirect evidence, no one has ever directly observed one. This remains true despite numerous theoretical models suggesting their existence as a fundamental part of the universe's evolution. Consider microlensing events, those fascinating cosmic phenomena where a massive object passes in front of a star, briefly magnifying its light due to the curvature of space-time. These occurrences hint at a hidden population of small black holes, detectable only through the subtle bending of space-time they induce. In a fresh perspective on the anomalies observed with trans-Neptunian objects, TNOs, astronomers Jacob Schultz and James Unwin have proposed a riveting hypothesis. They suggest the gravitational peculiarities could be the effect of a primordial black hole with an elliptical orbit around the Sun, potentially weighing between 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth. Their models indicate that such a black hole would create similar orbital disturbances as those currently attributed to the elusive Planet 9. This theory might also resolve why concrete evidence for Planet 9 remains elusive. A primordial black hole wouldn't emit visible or infrared light, remaining invisible against the cosmic backdrop. Intriguingly, it could be influencing the space around it in more subtle ways, such as manipulating a cloud of dark matter and emitting unique forms of radiation. This scenario paints a picture of a celestial landscape far more complex and mysterious than previously imagined, inviting us to rethink our understanding of what might lurk in the distant shadows of our solar system. As researchers delve deeper into the mysteries of high-energy cosmic rays, including X-rays and gamma rays, they aim to conduct further experiments to track moving sources of these radiations. The current hypothesis involving a hypothetical Planet 9, or even more intriguingly, a primordial black hole, complicates the puzzle of our solar system's dynamics. This pursuit to understand the gravitational anomalies observed in the outer solar system opens up fascinating lines of inquiry. Could a black hole be the source of this gravitational pull? While we're certain a massive object is exerting this force, its true nature remains shrouded in mystery. Amidst these scientific endeavors, some find solace in apocalyptic theories, though these are often grounded more in fiction than fact. A prime example is the Nibiru catastrophe, a doomsday scenario where a rogue planet, known in various tales as Nibiru, Planet X, or even mistakenly linked with Planet 9, is said to visit Earth every 3,600 years, wreaking havoc. Inspired by Zecharia Sitchin's 1976 book The 12th Planet, this myth suggests that Nibiru will either collide with Earth or trigger catastrophic natural disasters capable of ending humanity. It's essential to discern that Sitchin's interpretations, while captivating, were not scientifically substantiated. These narratives, blending science fiction with elements of ancient astronaut theories, captivate the imagination but should be approached with a healthy dose of skepticism. As we continue our cosmic investigations, it's crucial to separate scientific insight from sensationalism, maintaining an open yet critical mind towards the enigmas of the universe. Zecharia Sitchin, a journalist and scholar versed in Sumerian cuneiform, embarked on an extraordinary journey into the annals of ancient Mesopotamia and Persia. Through his study of clay tablet inscriptions, Sitchin developed a controversial theory far beyond conventional archaeology and anthropology. He proposed that Homo sapiens might not be purely a product of natural evolution, but rather the bioengineered descendants of extraterrestrial beings known as the Anunnaki, whom he claimed originated from a mysterious planet, Nibiru. According to Sitchin, these alien architects allegedly settled in southeastern Africa, where they manipulated early human genetics. This radical idea stems from his interpretation of ancient Mesopotamian texts, a point of contention among scholars due to the speculative nature of his claims. Sitchin asserted that Nibiru, still undiscovered by modern science, follows a lengthy orbital period, swinging near Earth every 3,600 years before vanishing back into the cosmos. The notion of Nibiru evolved beyond ancient astronaut theories into a fixture of modern doomsday scenarios and conspiracy theories. By the mid-1990s, the concept of this rogue planet had permeated popular culture. Predictions surfaced, like those from a psychic in 2003, claiming that Nibiru's close past would wreak havoc, though these predictions never materialized. Yet, the myth persisted and resurfaced in 2017 when some Christian conservative groups proclaimed that Nibiru, or a similar celestial body, was on an imminent collision course with Earth, echoing the misplaced fears surrounding the infamous 2012 apocalypse predictions. Interestingly, comparisons are drawn to the real minor planet Sedna, whose orbit around the Sun takes approximately 11,400 Earth years, remaining in the distant reaches of our solar system, far from the hypothetical path of Nibiru. This juxtaposition highlights the blend of myth and reality that fuels ongoing fascination with Nibiru's legend. Welcome to Blasovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blasovia Science TV, You will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe. Live Q&A sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q&A sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos, and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blissovia Science TV member today, and together, we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comments.